All right, good morning. It's Sunday about 10:30, and we're headed to a place called Tres Cruces. We're going up a mountain. It's a long walk, should be good, but this is where we're starting at. All right, so once again, we're doing Tres Cruces. I don't even think we're a quarter of the way up, and I am absolutely dead tired. Just like my dog over there. All right, so I'll definitely say that I am out of shape, bro. So we're halfway there. I stopped about 5 times. But let me show you where we started and where we're going from there. Alright, so once again, we started all the way to the bottom where those buildings are, like the first set of buildings. We started from there, going all the way uphill. So like I said, this is your halfway point. Fruits, and we're actually going to go all the way to the top, so we'll see how it goes. But your boy is tired. I'm in shape but out of shape, but let's see what happens, yo. Alright, yo, so I just made it to the top. Tres Cruces, I made it to the top. I literally thought I was gonna die, but I made it, and this is where we are at, bro.
Please don't forget.
No, claro.
Okay.
Gracias.
See you.
From the top, Tres Cruces.
But look at what he said, man.
You know what's crazy? Everyone I talk to says the same exact thing. If someone says this motherfucker's a crackhead, the 10 people say that motherfucker.
Not 10 of
Alright, so from the top, the views. Tres Cruces, Medellín, Colombia. Definitely a place to check out if you come here. Everyone's nice, everyone's friendly, everyone's doing their thing. Alright, so we did it. I just got done. I walked up to Tres Cruces in Medellín. Yo, I think I'm in good shape, but after doing what I just did, holy crap, I need to definitely get back in better shape. I've seen little kids, I've seen older people, everyone is just walking and just passing me, and I'm sitting there. I don't know. But yo, this was real nice, and once again, we just hit Tres Cruces, Medellín, you know?